This is the Lava Agni 2 5G phone. The phone has an excellent design. It provides you a comfortable grip. Looks very premium. The device has a punchy 6.78 inch. The main camera does the good job. And here is free phone replacement offer also. Nice glass build and curved design display. So this is the quick unboxing experience of Lava Agni 2 device. This is the color variant which I ordered. So this is the 8GB and 256GB variant, and the Dimensity 7050 approx. And here is the pin. Which is transparent case inside the box. And this is the Type C to Type C cable, and this is the 3.5 to the Type C adapter in the box, so which is available in the box as well. It has 66 watt fast charging support also. For around 20,000 rupees, Lava Agni 2 is the very solid choice in my opinion. That's it. Thanks for watching.